Hello, I'm Madam Pamita, and I would like to invite you to join me in a cup of tea and enjoy a cup of tea with me. Why? Because we're going to learn how to do tea leaf reading. So, are you ready to jump in? Let's do this. All right, so we're going to learn tea leaf reading today. Let's get that screen up and we'll talk all about it. I'll set my cup of tea down. So, this is Learn Tea Leaf Reading with me, Madam Pamita. You can find lots more on demand classes by going to parlorofwonders.com, going to shop, and you'll see Academy of the Magical Arts, and you'll see all the wonderful classes, on demand classes that we offer. What you're going to learn in this workshop today is you're going to learn the history of tea leaf reading, just a little bit of history so you know where tea leaf reading came from, a little bit of background on it. Then we'll be talking about choosing the right cup and the right tea. This one is really important. Yeah, you could read out of anything, I guess, but if you have the right cup and the right tea, it sets you up for success. Then we're going to learn the tea leaf reading ritual. So you'll learn the ins and outs of what you have to do leading up to the actual reading of the tea leaves. Then I'm going to teach you how you can read symbols in the tea leaves. Not only how you can see those symbols and some techniques and tricks, you're going to get some practice. And then we're going to dive in looking at some teacups and reading those symbols. So we're going to have a lot of fun, very interactive, even in this on-demand class. Next, I'm going to teach you how to look for negative and positive space when you're doing a tea leaf reading, a very important technique. If you are an artist, you know about positive and negative space, but everyone should know this for a tea leaf reading. It's going to be a wonderful learning experience. After you've mastered basic tea leaf reading, I'm going to teach you some amazing advanced tea leaf reading techniques. You can learn how to read distances. That means distances in space and distances in energy. You can also read timings. When is something going to happen? Did it happen in the past? Is it going to happen in the future? We can see that in a tea leaf reading. And then you'll have an opportunity to show how much you know. You're going to come into this maybe with no experience or a little experience with tea leaf reading, but at the end, you're going to have a lot of fun looking at some funny, wacky things and actually showing how much you know and how much you've learned. So I really look forward to you joining me on this journey. Go ahead and click on the next lesson and we will dive in to our teacup. What do you say? Sounds fun.